First of all, please look at the appearance about this intelligent motor. The surface with 100% aluminum shell itself have many advantages. First of all, is the cool look. And with the aluminum itself, no rusting and fast heat dissipation. And if we open, just imagine I open this engine part to you, you can see here. And even take off the shell, this is the engine, the heart of the motor. And this is the engine we took from other companies. Can you see the difference? Not only from the size, and also from the color and the structure. They have many differences. First of all, Anlin's winding is separated by the green layer. So both sides, they don't touch each other. One side is starting winding and the other side is the resistant winding. So why we are doing so is because we can increase the motor insulation and the voltage level. So please take a close look to Anlin engine part. Can you see the green layer part? The green layer separates the winding into two sections. One is the starting winding and the other side is the resistant winding. The purpose of this is to increase the motor insulation and the voltage level. And also, you can look at here, nothing. We are like a family. Nothing wall to stop them. So in this way, different way to make the winding part. And the second thing you can compare is the here, thermal protector. Other company is putting on top, and Anlin is here, closely to the coin. So because it touch here, the thermometer protection, the heat protection can feel immediately and feed back to the motor temperature. If it's overheated, then it will stop. Other companies, they put here. When the motor become very hot, they will stop. And also, you can see the difference by the covering. We only a protection, and for them, they have the heat resistance. Why they are doing so is because not only the winding and also the inside. Can you see? Close look. This is Q195 electronic steel plate, and the Anlin is using the silicon Q80 silicon steel sheet. The quality itself totally different. This is premium level, and this is so much cheaper. So the capacity and the efficiency under the different level. So they work under the different situation. And when we finish the engine part, let's take a look at the gearbox. The gearbox for Anlin, our supplier is Sigma. And the other company, I'm not really sure about their supplier. And what I can tell you is the quenching and the heating tempering method is more professional. We made the whole process from the top to the bottom. So we ensure the hardness and the toughness to be the best stage. And the others we have been tested by our technician. They're only doing this part. So because of this, the gearbox lifetime so much better than the other one. Anlin guarantee the lifetime of 10,000 times. So for others, according to what we heard about, maybe 2,000 times. So the 80% difference, you can tell, okay? One is the engine, one is the gearbox. And also the thermometer difference. When both of them on my hand, I can feel Anlin's thermometer, Anlin's capacitance is more heavier than the other. I can show you with the weight machine. Anlin, 110.6 gram. The other one, 84.2. So you can tell the quality difference, okay? And if we open from inside, we can see what's happening. And all Anlin plastic or nylon use the fire resistance product, and the others is not. You can see what's inside. Okay. And for this motor, our Anlin motor, compared to the market motors, we have better lifting and also longer time, lifetime usage. And even for us to compare with our old version, you can tell. Can you see our old version for Anlin as well? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cable. And also you need this external receiver to install the motor. And right now, the new version, the new intelligent motor, look, only one cable. And here, fashion and cute remote control, wireless control. So it's so easy to install, less mistake for the installation.